Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the right layer enabled. First, open Google Earth and zoom tightly to the area you care about so imagery loads faster. Once done, click the clock icon to open historical imagery and scan the timeline bar. Drag the slider to preview available dates. Make sure to pick a baseline date with good clarity. Cloud-free images reduce artifacts. Also set the resolution and toggle between satellite and aerial if available, because that affects what features you can actually interpret. Now refine how you compare dates. Scrub the timeline and stop at 2 or 3 candidate years that show key changes. You'll want side-by-side mental anchors. Then adjust opacity to reveal underlying map layers and lower your eye altitude for finer detail. This removes distortion from oblique mosaics. Once you find useful frames, place time-stamped place marks and save each view. This preserves exact coordinates and camera angle so you can return later and reproduce measurements accurately. Finish by exporting and documenting your findings. You save image or take high-res screenshots of each selected date, then use the ruler and polygon tools to record distances and area changes. Make sure to save a km scale and the date stamp on each export for provenance. If you encounter misalignment or obvious georeferencing errors, clear the cache, try adjacent dates or the WebVersus Pro client, and, if necessary, reproject imagery in GIS to confirm true spatial change.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.